speed that footage up.
Somebody's going to have to, because Rob's not. So he rides all the way back up.